Woke up stiff, heavy in your hips, foggy in your head? That's not just tension, it's a rhythm stuck on pause. But here's the good news. One flow can flip the switch. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with a low lunge. Right foot forward, back knee grounded. Lift through your chest, sink into your hips. The stretch isn't just about your legs, it's about restoring length to your life, especially when life keeps pulling you into a chair. I promise, just 30 seconds here begins to reset the hip flexors that tighten every time you sit down. Beginners, keep hands on the floor or blocks. Advanced stretches, reach arms overhead and lean slightly back. Here's a little challenge for you. Can you drop your hips just 1 inch deeper? Five more seconds. Let's even it out. Now step your left foot forward, drop the right knee back, same posture, but notice, each side tells a different story. This isn't just about flexibility, it's about balance. I promise, holding tension unevenly in your hips can create back pain, mood swings, even fatigue. This move counters all of that. Did you know sitting too long shrinks your stride over time? Let's reverse that right now. Hold for 5 more seconds, and now we twist open that space you just created. Step back into the right side lunge. This time, plant your left hand and reach your right arm high. Eyes follow the hand. This move unwinds tension deep in your spine and chest. I promise you'll feel more alert after this one stretch than after your first cup of coffee. Beginners, drop the back knee. Advanced stretches, lift the back knee off the floor to add challenge. Do you feel more open or more restricted? Your body's answer is your cue. Five more seconds. Now switch sides and keep that momentum. Left foot forward, right hand plants, left arm reaches up. You're opening the door on a brand new day and a better posture. I promise this twist clears your upper spine and shoulders, exactly where disc stress likes to hide. Next, we drop into a deep fold to rinse all of this out. You'll want to stay for that. Stay tall, 5 more seconds. Now let it all melt down. Stand tall, hinge at the hips, lift your heavy, arms dangle, knees slightly bent, breathe slow. This stretch is your midway surrender, your physical exhale. I promise, letting your head drop below your heart this early in the day resets your nervous system like few other moves can. Beginners, keep your hands on your shins. Advanced stretches, reach for the floor or grab opposite elbows and gently sway. Do your hamstrings feel different than they did 2 minutes ago? That's the lunge work paying off. 5 more seconds. That just rinsed your spine. Now let's energize rotation. Feet wide, squat low, elbows press into knees. Plant left hand to the floor, reach right arm to the sky. This is where strength meets stretch. I promise this targets your hips, spine, shoulders, and ankles in one dynamic move. Beginners sit on a block. Advanced switches lift heels slightly or add a hold at the top. Let's play a little game. Can you hold steady and breathe deep for 5 more seconds? That unlocks your spine. Now switch sides and match it. Same squat, opposite hand planted, left hand reaches up. This stretch fights the collapse that comes from a day at the desk. I promise it's training your posture and coordination without a single rep. Hold 5 more seconds. Now we close with one final challenge. Feet wide, hands on hips, start slow, drawing a big circle with your hips. You're not just moving, you're reclaiming rhythm. I promise this is sneaky core work and full body mobility disguised as play. Beginners keep it small and smooth. Advanced stretches add speed and reverse directions halfway through. Let's make it a challenge. How smooth can you make the transition between directions? 5 more seconds. Breathe and smile.